longtemps que je le pourrai, aussi longtemps.
Alright, so what are you going to be singing and performing for us today?
Uh, I'm trying to sing How Long Will I Love You?
Okay.
Ready? Today I'm singing How Long Will I Love You? I think it's from Ellie Goodwin, and I'm trying to do something with it. Thank you. How long will I love you? Long as stars above you. Longer if I came. How long will I need you? As long as season need to follow the plane. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. Combien de temps je te voudrais? Aussi longtemps que tu me voudras. Aussi longtemps encore. Combien de temps je te tiendrai? Aussi longtemps que je le pourrai. Aussi longtemps. How long will I love you? As long as the stars above you. Longer if I may. Thank you.
Again. Wow, 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 wow. I was like, is this my favorite singing? My goodness, this is beautiful.
Thank
Beautiful.
you.
You were enjoying yourself on that stage. And when you enjoy yourself, when you sing it out of love for singing, your audience will feel it. They will feel it that you are happy doing it. So when you go on that stage, number one, remember we said that thin line between a beginner and a professional is what? Confidence. When you just embrace that song with confidence that yes, I know what I'm doing, I was born for this, and you begin to sing like that, you see that then you stand out and you will be able to deliver something amazing for others.
Thank you, Ma.
So that was a very beautiful song. I love the way you performed it. Now let's look at this. You're going to sing it again, but those
Yeah.
times you want to go around in your in your embellishments, enter them, slide into them smoothly. Don't
Okay.
don't make it too obvious that see I'm about to slide. When you want to do something like slide, or what I don't know that's the song. So when you're getting to that place, just do like let me use this my own a song I know. I just wanna say bye bye. You see, the way I was able to enter to a higher register, you won't
Okay.
even know. It was just smooth into it. So you just what you would do is you don't need to even raise your neck. You don't need to show anything that you're going that high. You just be relaxed as if there's nothing happening, but you are really doing something. You get so it will be like I just wanna say bye bye and share something like that.
How long will I love you? Long as stars above you. Longer if I can. How long will I need you? As long as season need to follow the plane. How long will I be with you? As long as the sea is bound to wash upon the sand. Combien de temps je te voudrais, aussi longtemps que tu me voudras, aussi longtemps encore. Combien de temps je te tiendrai, aussi longtemps que je le pourrai, aussi longtemps. How long will I love you? As long as the stars above you. Longer if I may.
That was beautiful. That was amazing. That was
Thank you.
amazing. That was amazing. Like, oh, thank you so
Thank you,
much for
ma.
that beautiful thing. You see, she's such a beautiful, intelligent singer. Just
Thank you,
having
ma.
fun. That when you got it this time, the way you slide through the whole belting process, even the embellishment, it was just beautiful. It was just
Thank you,
beautiful.
ma.
So please keep
Thank
it up and remember it every time you are performing. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Thank you so